Welcome to my video. We're going to be talking about our Arctic animal and its food cycle. Each food cycle that we're going to be making is going to be exclusive for our Arctic animal. As you can see, the cover is going to have the name of your Arctic animal neatly written, as well as the words food cycle, because we're going to be showing our animal's food cycle. I also have these arrows going around in a circle to show a cycle is inside. Inside the foldable, you'll see that we have the entire food cycle at a glance. It looks like there is a lot of writing, and I did do a lot of writing. However, this is an example that doesn't actually have the name of animals in it, which is in the brackets above each of those lines. And I've included all 9 possible vocabulary words that you will pick and choose from to make sure that it is accurate for your animal's food cycle. As you can see, my food cycle begins with the sun. Nice sunglasses, bud. That's the source of all energy on Earth. I've got an arrow pointing down to the producer, and inside the bracket where it says name of producer, you're going to write the name of the producer in your animal's food cycle. Underneath the line, you're going to include the words from that list that apply to that producer. Please remember that producers are plants and are not considered to be animals. Therefore, they will for sure not be herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores. Above the producer, we have the name of the first order consumer. You'll put the name of the first order consumer in there. Now, if it's your Arctic animal, you'll write your Arctic animal's name in there. You'll draw a line, and underneath that, you'll neatly choose which of those words apply to your animal, or to the first order consumer in your animal's food cycle. Above the first order consumer, we have the second order consumer. Please make sure that your second order consumer does consume the first order consumer and the producer as well, and then choose the vocabulary that fits that particular animal. Above that, an arrow pointing to the name of the third order consumer. Again, if it is your animal, that's where you would put that. Okay? Draw a line underneath the title of the animal, and then choose from the list of vocabulary which ones apply to your Arctic animal. All of the parts so far, the producer, the first order consumer, second order consumer, third order consumer, will all have arrows pointing to the scavengers and the decomposers. And then you will also need to, under the scavenger section, make sure that you write down the name of a scavenger in your Arctic animal food cycle. And it might be your Arctic animal, it might not be. You'll choose that name, underline it, and then give it the appropriate title. Same thing goes for the decomposers. I'm going to make sure that I can give you lots of links to those things. You are going to have to do some research for this. All right? Good luck, gang.